This video is sponsored by English County, Mobile Master, Mohammadi Furniture, Taj Shahi, News and Fabrics Clothes Store, Upolis Fashion Store, Shweta Dentistry, and by Edify International School.
Live and exclusive on the KBN Turf ground here at the SH campus. Round of applause to both the teams. They're playing their first playoffs. Tails is the call, and tail it is. So Marquette Super Kings, you have won the toss. What are you deciding?
We are going to bat first.
Any particular reason for batting?
Pitch looks good, and we don't want to take pressure in this big game, so we are going to set them target.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All the very best. The captain of the Rosa Stars, you have lost the toss. अगर आप toss जीते तो क्या करते थे?
We also would have bat first because the wicket is good, and we also wanted to score a big total.
What target are you looking forward to defend?
Not maximum, and just below 120, 100. I think we should be able to do.
Any particular changes because it's the first playoff you're playing?
Just Akbar instead of Akbar, we have taken Mohsin.
Thank you so much and all the very best. So news from the middle is that the Marquette Super Kings have won the toss and they are batting first.
This is the KBN Premier League T20 Championship 2019 Season 2. This is the first playoff match playing in between Marquette Super Kings and Rosa Stars. Marquette Super Kings won the toss, opted to bat first. This is a qualifier number 1. Here we go. First ball. Stopped is the signal by the umpire. Ganesh Kormane, good start to the over. Nicely played. What a shot from John Wesley. This is tremendous shot. A catch it fine. First boundary for the Marquette Super Kings. They want to go for high. Missed play the ball. Wicket keeper and the man at first play. Ball running out to the boundary. Wait for the umpire signal. Buys. Yes, it is. By signal by the umpire. Mirza Nazim Begi, the man who put down a sitter. Ball, as a ball game. Oh, Ganesh Kormane runs continues. John Wesley, and this wicket not proved costly for the Ganesh Kormane.
फुलटॉस गेंद इस बार गेंद को उछाल कर मारा, कमजोर गेंद मिली, निश्चित ही मिला मौका तो लगा चौका। शानदार जानदार खूबसूरत स्ट्रोक। आगे चले गए, लंबे स्ट्रोक लगा दिया, कोई मौका नहीं किसी खिलाड़ी को गेंद रोकने के लिए, और ये जबरदस्त नजाकत भरा स्ट्रोक निकलता हुआ 4 रनों के लिए। आगे चले गए, फिर से लॉफ्टे स्ट्रोक लगा दिया, देखना है। ओह व्हाट अ कैच, क्या कमाल का कैच मोहम्मद मोहसिन की ओर से लिया जा रहा है।
Oh, he pulls that one to the deep mid wicket. What a shot! And this is exclusive timing. And then a nice placement. Again he goes big. There is a man at one bounce into the fence. Second shot in that over. Again he goes big. Man at deep wicket, but can't get there. Has it gone all the way? Wait for the umpire signal. It's a 6 signal by the umpire. What a shot. Catch it in the air, straight to the fielder. Javed Ahmed has struck for the Rosa Stars. Up in the air and another wicket for Rosa Stars. Good ball, excellent delivery, appeal, get him! Wicket number 5. He's on to his final over of his spell. It's your chapter fine straight to the field. Oh, excellent effort from the fielder. It goes big, man at long off. And Mayur Patil takes that. He juggled once, but in the second attempt, he hold on to it nicely. He falls that one to the onside. Man at mid wicket. Has it taken? Taken! Wicket number 7. Gorgeous takes that one to the winners. Man at deep mid wicket. One bounce into the fence. 100 runs comes up for the Marquette Super King.
ऑफ्टन के बाहर आती गेंद, फिर से गेंद को उठाकर खेला, गेंद जा रही है वाइडिश, लॉन्ग ऑफ के क्षेत्र में जाती गेंद, थोड़ी सी भी फील्डिंग, नतीजा गेंद जा रही है बाउंड्री के बाहर जाती गेंद, 4 रनों के लिए। फिर से इस बार गेंद को खेला और ये जबरदस्त कैच जावेद अहमद की ओर से। ऑफ्टन के बाहर चले गए, लॉफ्ट स्ट्रोक लगा दिया डीप बैकवर्ड स्कोर लेग के क्षेत्र में, महेश जादव गेंद के नीचे और ये मोहम्मद मुनीर को मिलने वाली चौथी कामयाबी। और बार स्टंप पर आती गेंद को रिवर्स स्ट्रोक खेलने की कोशिश में गेंद जाकर स्टंप से टकराती गेंद, पूरी पारी यहां पर समाप्त हो रही है।
So second innings start to resume. 117 is the target for the Rosa Stars. Marquette Super Kings, after winning the toss, so elected to bat first. They made 116 before they were all out in 19.3 overs. Good bowling by Rosa Stars bowlers. All in! What a ball! What a start for the Marquette Super Kings! Shot out! What a shot! You don't, no need to run for that. Stand and deliver. What a shot! Pulls it handsomely through the deep square leg area. Another boundary. Back-to-back boundaries. Goes high. Merrick mid-on. Can't get there. One bounce. 2 bounce into the fence. In the air, and I think he has gone. Yes, it is. Mayur Patil, real soft dismissal, straightforward catch to the bowler, and bowler takes that one comfortably. Wicket number 2 goes down. Short of length ball, cuts well, beats the man at short third man. Yadullah Hussaini, no chance, into the boundary. Important boundary for the Rosa Stars.
और फिर गेंद 30 बार क्लासिकल स्ट्रोक खेला, गेंद को बल्ले के बीचों बीच लेकर ये लगा सुपर से ऊपर स्ट्रोक 6 रनों के लिए। शॉर्ट गेंद 30 बार पीछे चले गए, जबरदस्त प्रहार मानो की शॉर्ट गेंद 30 बार पीछे हटकर गेंद को बढ़िया स्ट्रोक खेला, आज बार फिर से गेंद जा रही है डीप एक्स्ट्रा कवर बाउंड्री के दिशा में जाती गेंद, जबरदस्त स्ट्रोक। फुलटॉस गेंद 30 बार गेंद को बल्ले के बीचों बीच लेकर एक बुलेट स्ट्रोक निकलता हुआ, मानो कि जिस तरह से बंदूक में से गोली निकलती है, एक उसी तरह बिल्कुल गेंद उनके बल्ले से निकली 4 रनों के लिए।
The pad appeal, given him out. Captain goes big. Has he got the distance? Ah, what a shot! Munir, he plays that one through the mid wicket. One bumps and into the fence. He goes big. Has it gone the distance? Oh, one bounce into the fence. Nicely timely boundary by the Rosa Stars captain. He pulls that run through the mid wicket, and it has gone all the way for 6. What a shot from the captain! Second 6. The captain Rosa Stars playing a captain innings. He moves on to 41 with his second 6 in 38 balls. The captain leading by the front. One big hit away from the victory. He plays that one to the fine leg area. Fielder is down there. Misses it. Into the boundary. Now, 2 runs in 19 balls. Ali Hussaini sir is on 45 from 39 balls. He needs to beat a 6 if he want to complete his half century. He goes back, captain! Has he gone for the distance? Yes! What a shot! And he completed his half century! That's it! It's all over! What a way to finish the things! And he finishes off the things in style with a magnificent 6. And he scored a half century, second half century in this tournament. Great achievement by the captain. He finishes up the match like a MS Dhoni in style with the 6.
Now discussing about the match 1 for today. It was played between Rosa Stars versus Market Super Kings. Very critical and a crucial match. And Rosa Stars won the match by 7 wickets. Round of applause. So they actually enter the finals. Very well decided and written that they're for sure gonna enter the finals. The captain of the Rosa Stars to kindly come and talk about it. So truly speaking, the commentary box was all about, not about Rosa Stars winning, it was only about the last sentence which I heard was 6 is needed by Alisa for his half century. That pressure at that moment, of course you would have won the match. So what did you exactly feel about it?
But I saw a lofted wall and I just went through it and it incidentally got out of the boundary.
So you being the backbone, organizing it, staying till the late nights, seeing that everything is up to the level, and yet being one of the playing 11s, truly well-deserved victory, and all of us were emotional. There was a flare of celebration in the turf. Very well deserved, sir. Congratulations. Thank you so much. And as per the committee of Khaja Bandar Nawaz Premier League, the second man of the match for today's qualifier is Mohammad Munir for taking 4 wickets. A cash award of rupees 2,500 is awarded. A cash prize of rupees 2,500 from Khaja Bandar Nawaz Premier League. Let's all clap. In spite of having one man of the match, we're giving the second award for man of the match. This truly takes efforts for appreciating it. And Gulbarg Travels, an envelope of rupees 1,000 awarded. And must mention, the committee members are mentioning that it's an envelope of rupees 1,000 from Gulbarg Travels goes to Mohammad Munir. A round of applause. So overall in this season, he takes 19 wickets. Let's applaud his efforts. A cash voucher of rupees 5,000 from Mobile Hub goes to Janab Ali Al Hussaini and Mohammad Munir. This will be shared by both the man of the matches. As I always mention, Mr. Shahid Khadri being the well-wisher, an envelope of rupees 1,000 goes to Janab Ali Al Hussaini Sahab for the best innings played. From Shahid Khadri, an envelope of rupees 1,000. So I request you to kindly come back. I request the chief guest to kindly hand over an envelope of rupees 1,000 from MMK Foreign Exchange Private Limited. It goes to Janab Syed Ali Al Hussaini Sahab for the most number of sixes of the day. 3 sixes in his innings, we all witnessed. An envelope of rupees 1,000 from MMK Currency Exchange goes to Janab Syed Ali Al Hussaini Sahab. Thank you, sir. May now request the President, sir, of Khaja Education Society to kindly felicitate the chief guest for the day. And let me just add an extra information. The chief guest has already been a district player. The Assistant Commissioner has made a visit to the KBN Turf Ground. Already a district level player, this shows how enthusiastic he is about the cricket. Thank you, dignitaries. I request the chief guest to kindly share a few words with us.
It's been a pleasure to come here, watch the match. I am highly impressed by the way the whole tournament has been organized and played. I am highly impressed after seeing the talent of the players who are participating. Also the way the ground has been maintained, the way the team has been managed, the way the umpires have been brought from the other states to make sure that the quality of the game remains to be at the high level, and most importantly the way all these things are being broadcasted. I personally believe that and also hope that in future many other districts or cities will take up these initiatives, take it forward, and help the youth to emerge and play at the next level like IPL and Ranji trophies. It's been a pleasure to be here. I really enjoyed it. It was a nice break for me from my routine. So I thank the organizing committee for inviting me over here. Thank you very much.
May now request the chief guest to kindly come to the Bharat Honda contest and hand over purple cap to Mohammad Munir for 19 wickets for the entire season. This cap goes to Mohammad Munir, the most wickets currently. This keeps switching on depending upon the number of wickets. And right now it is with Mohammad Munir.
Presented by KBN University and Megaspeed Broadband. Powered by Mobile Hub and Xiaomi. In collaboration with Hash Include. Media partner GoHash. Our associate sponsors include Shaheen Group of Institutions, Orbis International School, Sunrise Hospital, Max, Birla A1 Strong Credit Cement, AN Banquet, Javed Habib, Drishti Eye Care and Shehbaz Electricals.